So if you received this in an email, just click below and it will take you right to the class. Now, if you're receiving this on any other form of social media that's not an email, follow the directions that are in the description of this workshop. So once you do that and you click on the description, or click on the link in the description, it will take you right where you need to go. That's what we've set up for you. Enjoy the class. So we decided to broadcast this Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of this week so that you would have an opportunity to sit in on a class that we offered earlier this year. On the link that was provided, there's PowerPoints that you can print out and follow along. You don't need the book necessarily. So if you can get the book online, you want to read the book, I would say join in. But I can guarantee you this, it's a class, so there are times for questions and answers, and we have breaks and things like that, and there's kind of a casual atmosphere. It was a class that many of you couldn't attend because you didn't have the time, but now you have the time. This is great. So you're going to watch the class, and when you do that, I guarantee you there are bits and pieces and nuggets all over each one of these classes that will change how you're going to make the decisions in the future for what life looks like beyond all of this. So please take this opportunity to watch these 3 classes. And if you need a break, hit pause, come back to it. But stay with it. This information is going to be invaluable in creating the vision of your life that exists in mind and in your mind, waiting its recognition to be expressed on the other side of all of this shelter in. So you'll be making some decisions just like everybody else, except you're going to have some spiritual components in education to help you. So enjoy the class. We hope you love it. Please, if you get the chance, maybe make a donation to the center. That'd be greatly appreciated. But just enjoy the class. It's here for you.